Good morning guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you it's unboxing. Today this Samsung 253 liter double door refrigerator. It's a brand new refrigerator. So we have a look in the bottom portion of the refrigerator. So this is how it looks in the bottom portion. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 storage compartments we have. When you come to the door, this is the tall bottle guard. So this is the egg storage shelves. Also we can use this for a normal uses. And bottom there is one more storage. So already I kept the milk inside the fridge for opening ceremony. We'll come to the top portion of the fridge. So this is the top portion of the fridge, and this is a convertible freezer, and this is a ice cube makers. This is how it looks, and here also we have two shelves for the door fitment. And this convertible freezer means you can also convert this portion of the fridge like a refrigerator. So this is however 253 liters of storage. Also we can able to extend this 80 liters around. So this is a convertible freezer settings, and this portion of the temperature settings for the freezer, and this portion of the temperature settings for the refrigerator. This is a button you can set here. This is button for the fridge, and by using this button we can able to shift this top portion of freezer to the refrigerator. And this is the power savings star rating. This is contains 2 star rating. More stars means more power savings. This refrigerator come up with a 10 years warranty on the compressor, not on the full refrigerator. For the refrigerator, 1 year standard warranty will be available. And this is a latest digital technology, digital inverter technology is being used. And connect inverter runs on the home inverter, consumes less power than 2 CFL bulbs. Stabilizer free operations, protects refrigerator against voltage fluctuations from 100 to 300 volts. 21 years of reliability tested by VDE. However, nobody will keep the fridge for 21 years. And for the more security and more safety, I kept on more stabilizer, additional safety which will be provide. So this is how it will be look from the outside, and from the this is a side view. I forgot to mention this. The price of the refrigerator is 25,500 rupees. Noisy point of view is actually it makes little bit of noise. It's not more. It can be okay. No issue with this. Okay. From this, I'll end up this video. Thank you guys.